If you think you've seen a 4th of July fireworks show, you are not ready for 2026. Macys is celebrating their 50th anniversary, and they are dropping a tactical nuke of pyrotechnics on the East River. We are talking 85,000 shells, new custom effects, and a massive light show rigged directly to the Brooklyn Bridge. You aren't supposed to see this yet, but we got our hands on the raw, unlisted test footage straight from the Mojave Desert. Let's hand it over to executive producer Will Coss and show designer Gary Souza to show you exactly what is hitting the New York sky this summer.
Today we're out here at the desert. It's our pyro testing day. It's our opportunity to test all of our brand new shells and effects for our 50th Macy's 4th of July fireworks. We're going to have a couple of rounds of testing from our bridge pyrotechnics to some of our aerial new effects. It's our opportunity just to see everything in real life, do our final tests and tweaks, and get ready for the 4th of July. Our 50th Macy's 4th of July fireworks is a tentpole celebration in our year-long Celebration Start at Macy's. We're super excited about this year's show. We're celebrating 50 years of Macy's 4th of July fireworks, 250 years of America. We have celebrations big and small happening throughout the year. This tentpole event is going to be something that's exciting for everyone. Here we have over 85,000 shells and effects. It's going to be a variety of pyrotechnics coming off of the Brooklyn Bridge, our 6 barges on the east side and on the west side. We also have a brand new, fantastic light show that's going to illuminate the Brooklyn Bridge in a way that's never been done before.
This year's Macy's 4th of July fireworks show is going to be more spectacular than ever. 4th time playing on the Brooklyn Bridge. We are going to have 3 times the amount of effects that we've had before. So really going to be exciting with waves and lattices and all kinds of chases. It'll be really special. This year, there are some aerial shells that have never before been seen in America. And I am really looking forward to some of these interlacing rings and rings that turn into crossset bursts, and a swirling crossset from green to red, and then there's a red, white, and blue wave 4 times across the Brooklyn Bridge to celebrate America's 250. Over 64 licensed pyrotechnicians coming from 15 different states in America will be poised to set up the biggest show in America right here at Macy's 4th of July fireworks, 50th anniversary for the fireworks, 250 for America. All of us are so excited to come here and put together this great show. 6 barges, Brooklyn Bridge, some really exciting shells that have never before been seen. We're gonna have 8 miles of wires. We're gonna have 85,000 aerial shells and effects, more than we've ever had in many, many years, to light up the sky and synchronize that to a 28-minute musical score.
The show looks incredible, but let me give it to you straight. If you want a prime viewing spot near the Brooklyn Bridge, you are going to be sitting on hot concrete for 6 hours with a million other sweating tourists. It is a logistical nightmare. Do not go into the city blindly. Head over to americantravel.fun right now. I just dropped a massive, brutally honest survival guide for the 2026 Macy's fireworks. I break down exactly which streets to avoid, where to find the best views, and how to escape the subway crush when the finale ends. The link is in the description. Hit that like button, subscribe for more no BS travel guides, and I'll see you in the city.
But there's 3 little things that you gotta know. Don't leave me hanging, don't scroll away. Join the crew, make it official today. You gotta like, hit it, subscribe, get with it, and smash that bell till the notifications swell. I said like, hit it, subscribe, get with it. Ring the bell icon, let them know we on. Smash that.